How to change your address on American Express. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your address on your Amex account. So to do that, first of all, open up the Amex app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the account tab, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the option which says go to profile. After that, it will show you various details such as your name, since when you became a member, your card details, your email address, and finally your address. Now since we are here to change our address, we'll simply tap on our current existing address. After that, it'll ask you to enter the 3-digit CSC, which will be on the back side of your card. Simply type it in and then tap on the option continue. Now enter the 4-digit customer password, which is usually the PIN of your card. After that, tap on the option continue. Now you will be taken to this page where you can basically make changes to your address right over here. So you can change your address line 1, your address line 2, your address line 3, your city, town, province, postal code, etc. And once you're done with all of them, once you tap on the option save, you'll have successfully changed your address on your American Express card. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.